Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue slime with only one ingredient, which is hand soap. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. So, as you guys can tell, this no glue slime recipe only needs one ingredient. So that's what in today's video I'll show you guys how to make, which is one ingredient, no glue slime. Also, my background is finally Halloween theme. I know it's not even September yet, but I love Halloween so much and I had to decorate for you guys. But yeah, let's get into the ingredients on how to make no glue hand soap slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of hand soap. I'm using this dial one. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in. I'm using this spooky Halloween one. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Super easy. So the first thing I'm going to get doing is getting my hand soap out and putting it into my bowl. I'm using this Halloween one right here. And I'm just going to put in my soap, add it all into there. Alright, that looks like enough for me. And this is filled quite a lot. And all you have to do for this recipe is mix it up. So I'm going to mix it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to get doing that now. And look how thick that is. That's why I love a dial soap. Alright guys, so I mixed it a lot as you can tell, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours every 30 minutes and mix it up and make sure it's working, and it's going to make super awesome jiggly slime. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay guys, 2 hours later, and I added some food coloring. Here is a no glue slime. It's pink now. I thought it'd be really cool to make it like this pinkish color, so I used this red color and I mixed a little bit of pink into it. And look at this no glue slime. This is such a vibrant, like, pinkish color. Also, don't mind my nails. That is slime under it. I was making slime all today. But the slime is awesome. It's super jiggly, so it's definitely not like a playable slime. It's more so like a goo. But I still think this no glue slime recipe is amazing. This reminds me of no glue slime recipes I used to make early on my channel. Like, I would post like simple no glue slime recipes all the time, and I used to really love jiggly slime, and I still definitely do a little bit. It's just not my favorite. So if you guys want a quick and easy recipe, this is perfect for you. But yeah, if your recipe turns out a little bit on the watery side, definitely try switching up your soap. Sometimes like the soap doesn't even work that well for me, but today it made the slime super awesome and jiggly, which I am so happy about. I love this slime so much. It does melt after maybe like, I'd say like an hour, which kind of stinks, but that's how no glue slime is. It always melts because most of the time it's made out of soap. But again, a super awesome recipe. If you guys just want a quick and easy slime, definitely try this out. But yeah, also remember to put in the comments if this recipe worked for you. If my comments are unfortunately turned off, it's not my fault. It's just YouTube putting them off for some reason. Go over on my community page. I always post on there when my videos upload, and go comment notification squad on there. Also, remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. My TikTok, I post almost every single day on there. My YouTube Shorts, I've been posting a lot on, so go check them out on there, which is on YouTube. And even like my Instagram, my Roblox is even down there. I play Roblox so often. Dress to Impress is my favorite at the moment. So if you guys want a Dress to Impress video, go check it out. I actually go live often on TikTok playing Dress to Impress, so go check me out on there. But again, this recipe was a huge win-win for me. I really hope you guys try out this no glue slime recipe today. Stay tuned for more spooky Halloween videos, and remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye.